Hi everyone, my name is Kevin, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a subdomain in Hostgator account. Now to start, you have to go on hostgator.com and then press enter. And log into your account. Then you have to type your email. And then you click on next. And then you type your password. Then you click login. After that, you scroll down and then click on launch cPanel. You scroll down and then you click on subdomain. Then here you choose the name of your subdomain. For this purpose, let's choose a shop, and then you click on create. You see now usually my domain name is careers in Rwanda, and I have created a subdomain called shop.careersinrwanda.com. Now I can use this subdomain to create an e-commerce website where I can sell different things. The same thing to you. You can create a subdomain and use it as a website for other purpose. Now to complete our tutorial, let's go back. Then scroll down again. You come here and click on WordPress. Click on install now, and here you come and choose your subdomain name. Then after that, here you come and fill your credentials. Let me choose the password that I can easily remember. Then after that, you come and click install. And then you wait. Now it is done. So to log into our subdomain name, we just do it the way we log into a WordPress website. You just go to your browser and then type your subdomain name and then /login or WP admin. Then you press enter. You use your credentials that you have created, and then you enter into your site and you customize your website according to your needs. Congratulations, you have now created a subdomain name. If you have any question, please let me know.